D, whenever you end up with a woman like Yabojo, they will ruin your career. I saw pains in that write-up. I saw pains. The ceasefire letter. You are a career man. Politically, you've done well. Like I said, and I will repeat, nobody must ever mention your name alongside Iyabo. But Mr. D, the audio Iyabojo provide on cyberspace where your name will be mentioned, nobody can stop us from using it. Because nobody stopped Iyabojo when she was using my husband's nudity and my husband's voice notes in order to get donation from the public. If you go to court on the audio Iyabojo released, we will provide a video and audio of Iyabojo alongside Fola. The audio they released about my husband to counter sue you too. You don't understand? Like I said, it is wrong for anybody. I'm a lover of success. I'm a lover of career. And I will repeat, you've done so well for yourself to build your political career. The mistake you made, my husband made the same thing. What is the mistake you made? With your status, you mistakenly cross paths with Iyabojo, a lazy bastard, a blackmailer par excellence, a non-entity, a product of a mad woman, a sperm of Iyabojo's father, a drunkard. The same thing happens to my husband. The greatest mistake my husband made was crossing paths with Enwisho. And I hope a lot of men will learn from you, Mr. D, and my husband. When we are telling people, do not have anything to do with Iyabojo and any woman that happens to be a supporter. Iyabojo was not the only woman you crossed paths with. But imagine the kind of voice note she did, and she was proudly mentioning your name.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣe wò tán yìí, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ó sọ sí Sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ DINO MELAYE lórí ọ̀rọ̀ òun àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbọ́ bí Lizzy Anjorin bí ó ṣe ń threaten arákùnrin yìí. Níbo lẹ rò wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yóò já sí o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa?